You know what's funny? People think plants die because they have a black thumb. But here's the truth. It's not about your thumb. It's about the plant you choose. If you've ever brought home a plant, watered it with love, and still watched it turn sad and droopy, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share 8 low-maintenance houseplants that actually thrive indoors, even if you forget about them sometimes. But here's the twist. The easiest one is not what you think. In fact, most beginners skip it completely. Stick around because that plant is coming later in the list. Let's start with my all-time favorite beginner plant, the snake plant. This one is practically unkillable. It thrives indoors, loves neglect, and even cleans your air while looking stylish. Just water it when the soil feels dry, and that's it. Second on my list is the ZZ plant. If the snake plant is tough, the ZZ plant is its undercover twin. This plant can survive low light, low water, and low attention. Basically, it thrives on being ignored. Perfect for busy people or anyone who travels a lot. Wait, did you know some plants can actually grow better if you don't fuss over them? I'll tell you one in a minute that shocked me when I learned its secret, and you probably have seen it in hotel lobbies without realizing why it's there. That mysterious lobby plant? It's the Peace Lily. It loves medium light, tells you exactly when it's thirsty by drooping a little, and bounces right back after a drink. Plus, those white blooms. Instant mood booster. Number 4 is the pothos. If you want a plant that grows like it's in a race, this is it. Pothos is one of the most forgiving indoor plants ever. Cut a vine, stick it in water, and boom, you've got a new plant for free. Now, there's one plant on my list that's so low maintenance, I once forgot about it for 6 weeks and it was still fine. Can you guess what it is? Hold that thought before I reveal it. Let me tell you about 2 others that might steal your heart. The aloe vera isn't just easy to grow, it's useful. Got a sunburn? Break a leaf, and you've got natural skin relief. Keep it in bright light and forget to water it sometimes, it won't mind. Next is the spider plant. This cheerful little thing grows baby spiders, tiny offshoot plants you can replant or give away. It thrives indoors even under artificial light, making it perfect for offices or apartments without sunny windows. Oh, and here's something most people don't know. One of the easiest ways to kill a houseplant is too much love. Yes, overwatering is the silent killer. And the final plant on this list? It laughs in the face of overwatering mistakes. Remember the plant I said I forgot about for 6 weeks? Meet the cast iron plant. This beauty got its name for a reason. It's as tough as cast iron. Low light? No problem. Inconsistent watering? It shrugs it off. Dust on its leaves? Wipe it when you remember. It's the ultimate set it and forget it indoor plant, and yet so few beginners think to get one. If you've struggled to keep plants alive, the cast iron plant might just be your new best friend. So there you have it. 8 low-maintenance houseplants that actually thrive indoors. Which one do you already have, or which one are you planning to try? Tell me in the comments. I love hearing your plant stories. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips.